Next.
Magkami escucha Mashup. Wow. Wow. Tremendo mês, então, meeting nos Soca King. Em casa. Galo, kita aqui, Kurman.
What we saying, Basil? What we saying, my boy? We ain't gonna looking, but we looking go. You don't know, BD in the building, you know.
Hey, papienga.
Hey, thank you, my brother. Feel good to be here by Cool, man. You know, feeling cool.
Aruba's first, the Powah Soca King.
You know.
Mereci.
Thank you, my brother. The first, but not the last.
Yeah, you don't know, do you? First, but not the last. Galo, kung yung feeling, miss, na for di pre-final ka ba, 2 for the bisay, bro. Sa kita zona like a real Powah Soca.
Yeah. You know what the thing is, you know, at the end of the day, saludos cordial pa to the oyente nang, you know, from Cool FM, you know, feliz tarde. At the end of the day, we want to also entertain, but also educate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we need to know the difference in music. Music doesn't mean also always mambo, you know, what we are accustomed to. You know what I mean? We have to switch it up. We have to try new things. Why? Or you try bachata in soca, or you try soca in tumba, or you try this, or you try that. We try this now. You know what I mean? And it win. It win. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's a river soca to the world. You know what I mean? All we need is one inside, and the rest will follow.
Isang nga kinang mashup nota hopi diferente na The Purge. It's basically the same.
No. Pero único costa ku persta hopi mas pattern rubiano. Kuso mambo, dos diferente brass, botin ku build it up na final bota haya e jam. No. Ku mashup e jam kumisa mesora. Denge 10 seconds na ku bota escuchando mesora e jam kumisa. You know what I mean? You know, no build up. We ain't building up nothing. It come in one time like high blood pressure. One time.
Got a energizer body.
Yeah. Una energizer body ta waki.
Who is
El waki ba e bateria ka ba? The bunny is over, man.
Nice. Kita ko wag tame mixed reactions ang kuting riba social media.
Yeah, definitely. Un komi bo bisa, un akord ta kasi say ko boss nang imagina mas akord. Stop him.
Because you're Soca King.
Hey, stop him. Hey, Purge ta wata ti mas ko un akord. Memories mas ko un. Coop mas ko un. Ay hindi mitin ko sige. Keme un akord ta kasi say ko boss na. Big up to the Powah Soca King 2024. But you know, Galloway in the building, man. Stop it.
Hey, tremendo me. Santo riba kaya mitawagi ka bagayo ke koki nanta ba itong bombs.
Hey Brian, koki ta ding exterior kaba. Abo no sa planes grandi com tsunami ting pa Aruba. Stop, nos está celebrando 20 años, Brian.
Contame.
Stop, hey, nos tem tour, nós estamos preparando tour aqui. Nós estamos preparando tour que me na Yuli, nós estamos começando com nosso tour. Nós estamos dando nos Europe Tour. Que men, esse aí submetem com visa, que men, nós não tem muito para explicar. Nós estamos botando trabalho, nós estamos rinca trabalho dentro, nós estamos pera sonho, nós estamos assim tudo louco. Nós família está rabiar com nós ainda. Pero depois de carnaval nós estamos sei.
Of course. It just the kapatoga.
Exatamente.
Família, 12 más. Tranquila, família.
Tranquilize yourself. You know I'll be back.
It significa but going on a tour as the Powah Soca King.
Yeah, and as we speak, more and more gigs are coming in. I must say we have some international artists lined up to play with Tsunami, to have a featuring with Tsunami. So we have big things popping, not only for Tsunami, not only for we, but for Aruba. At the end of the day, Aruba wins.
But in there for the Powah Soca King. I'm a big fan di cambio, Galo, anto tu hindi ko puntrami tayo mesmo contesta tambe.
Yeah.
Para mim é o único factor, quizás para por ver beter, quizás esta entrada, maybe, verdade, straight to goes back de uma noite.
Nós temos hope que nós vamos ver beter.
Yes.
Seguro que sim. Pero me está seguro que o gente não quer back na telefone primo para hunga snake so. Naquela social media, naquela Facebook, naquela internet, portanto não tem Facebook account. pero não tem um Facebook sim para o que está passando ali no Facebook. And that's what we're talking about. We want to be innovative. No, we don't want to forget about our past. You know what I mean? But we don't want to live in the past neither. You feel me? Passo por mim, tá seguro que se nós três coisa não passa tempo passado, hope de não que okay, one stuff. Nem Claudius nem Ivo. Não para quê?
Galo, mas sim para boa apenas a começar também tem mais production anta metibo as a solo.
Brian, you know, nós saque produto na pero tá ora nós tá haya para nos release na que menting hobby material para nos release, hobby mas material para nos release and upcoming next is Jaransong a working na hamaka no. Você sabe monta. Tsunami vai hamaka que me wapo você chega. Que me não se dengue cas, you know.
Of course, man. All the best.
Thank you, BD.
Het tiki go falta, man, and working aan padilante that just enjoy. Enjoy it, support 100%.
BD, tá bidden nos ting.
Of course, man.
Como que vive? Como que vive?
Positivo.
Amarga? Van serio, bro. Hey, anto ta carnaval. Vamos viver carnaval armaga. Van serio. Como dizer, BD in the belly, man. Carnaval is love. We talking about love, like how Freddie said.
Yeah.
We got come together and spread more love because Carnaval is all about love. You see me? Pero atrobe, nós todos temos opinião, anto nós temos que respeitar cada nossa opinião. Cada quem na opinião, cada quem na gusto. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, if Aruba Carnaval wins, all Arubians, all of you win, all musicians win, you know.
Yes! Powah Soca King 2024. Galloway, thank you for joining me, guys.
Hey, BD, you know, always, my brother.
Yeah.
Você tá contestando o telefone, ora me quer promote um cantica durante de aia. Você tá contestando o telefone, não mane outro rende. O comando que me convence. It's okay, it's alright. Big up yourself, my brother.
Good job.
Love you, man.
Powah Soca, Powah Soca, Powah Soca, Powah Soca, Good job. Thank you.